So this is actually fashion right now in Paris. Absolutely ridiculous. So I'm curious why they. I think it's called couture. So it's like experimental, give you different perspective. Like this one, normally dress you have to wear one way, and some designer look at it and say, okay, let's we do something totally crazy. Let's go opposite way. Just like a concept. Obviously, nobody gonna wear it, but we never know. Maybe in 30 years, you will wear this dress, and this is a sideways too. So another way of looking at the regular clothing. It's crazy. But I mean, I like looking at it because it's very controversial. It's grabs your attention definitely. This is another style, fashion with the lion. This is actually pretty cool with this one. What do you think? I like fashion, but I more prefer stuff which I can wear. But when designers going really like this way, it's it gives you just different perspective on how things could be. Because we get used to think like, oh, everything has to be one way, but there is many variations. Or sometimes I feel like we stuck in that circle. Like we know what is right, we know what is wrong, we know what is beautiful, what is not, and I feel like this designers they're definitely pushing our understanding and boundaries of how we see things. But in terms of practicality, probably that's not gonna be the best outfit in my opinion. Okay, what else we see here? Let me see my for you page. What's happening in here? Mm, nothing interesting. This is a Charlie kick. He liked debates, but feels like he lost his temper a little bit. Okay, it's okay. This is cool. Belly dancing. Especially like when she's doing this movement with the stomach prop. You have to take your breath and breathe like rapidly to achieve that effect. Super cool. I love belly dancing. Let's see it again. It's also like what I like about belly dance is that your hips and your body they like speaking the music. They become the music. So each beat being represented through the hip or stomach movement. That's what it creates this connection between music and the movement. It's also in dancing we call it musicality in any type of dance. Trda, ta-ta. Excellent. Take a look how hips really her body matching the music. Super cool. So this is extremely difficult to do only for top professionals, and here's actually two people participating. So the person on top has to have a very strong core and create a shape, like almost imagine the person lifting herself, and then her partner obviously is like the main support here. So if you notice how he lift her using his legs, not only arms. So that's why he's squatting. Yeah, incredible. Looks so pretty. Remind me Dirty Dancing. Wow, absolutely incredible. Wow, click like. That's possible. So give you, first of all, give you that beautiful presentation, and you can do all these jumps and stuff. But in ballroom dancing is actually compressed rhythm, so we want to stay more towards the ground because it's more about hip action, body actions. Here you don't see much hip action, it's very collected body. That's why he can produce such incredible, beautiful jumps. So I love ballet. I like watching ballet.